Are you struggling to decide whether to go for a Kamado Joe Classic or a Kamado Joe Big Joe? Well, this video is here to help. The Kamado Joes with their high thermal mass make them a dream to operate. You won't be fiddling with the vents nearly as much as you would with, say, your average kettle at home. Your fuel efficiency is higher and you'll just find you've got a lot more spare time. Dial them in and they'll tick along for hours. They really are a unit that can cook pretty much anything, in pretty much any style. However, their biggest criticism is they're not exactly blessed with cooking space. The Kamado Joe Classic range of units sit at around 46 centimeters, which does make them a bit smaller than your average kettle, which is perfectly fine for cooking for a family or just a couple of people. It does also make them probably a bit cheaper to run and a bit quicker to heat up. But if you want to be able to cook for a couple of families or a decent get together, then they do carry a larger range called the Big Joes. These clock in at around 61 centimeters. That's a good 15 centimeters bigger than your classics, while still giving you the same stability, versatility, and just general cooking joy. At the end of the day, it really comes down to how many people you want to cook for and what you like cooking. If you're only cooking for a family or a couple of people, then the Classic is a fantastic option. However, if you're someone that likes entertaining for the whole street or just loves racks and racks of ribs, then realistically, the Big Joe for the bit of extra cash is where it's going to be at.